Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'll be teaching you this look, which is super quick and easy, kind of smoky eye makeup. I'm here to teach you guys the simplest and easiest way to create eye makeup looks. Just keep on watching. Taking this red pink shade from Glamorous Eyeshadow Palette, and I forgot to show the brushes and my camera messing up my whole video, so please bear with me. Well, moving on the tutorial, this brush is from Morphe brushes, applying the shade to both of my lids. Applying the shade gradually so you can easily blend the shades. Dragging the shades in upward direction to make it look more smokier. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this pink shade and blending the harsh edges of my crease. Now taking this purple-ish shade and applying it to the outer V of my eye. Taking this brush from RIMMEL Cosmetics. This brush is clean and I'm just using it to blend my crease here. This flat brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this shimmery pink shade. Applying over half of my lid. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this brown shade from GLAMOROUS palette, creating some more depth to the outer V. This mascara is from Essence Cosmetics. Applying it to my lashes. This kohl pencil is from RIMMEL Cosmetics. Applying it to my waterline, and I forgot to turn on the recording button while I was filming, as I told you. In between, I highlighted my brow bone and smoked out my lower lash line and applied some falsies. So this is the complete look. Hope you guys will like it. Like, share and subscribe to support your girl. And share your thoughts about this look in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. Bye bye.